So as a beauty YouTuber, what videos should you actually be doing in order to get people to come to your channel? A video that YouTube will actually suggest, videos that they will suggest regularly so that people come to your channel, engage on these videos, ask questions, comment, and then subscribe to your channel. If you want to find out what kind of videos you should be doing, makeup or skincare, keep on watching. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking to watch my video. If you're new here, you're at the right place. Make sure you don't leave without subscribing and also hitting the bell so that you know when I upload my videos. To my returning subscribers and to the new subscribers that have come to my channel, I've got about 400 plus subscribers in the last 1 month. That is a lot for me. That's about what I got for the whole of 2019. So I'm quite pleased with that. You're all welcome to my channel. Make sure you stick around. I have quite a lot of interesting stuff and you won't regret it. So guys, let's get straight into it. So today I'm going to be getting real with you, sharing some of my analytics with you. I started YouTube it's going to be 4 years in October, so I have quite a bit of experience on different things and I have been trying to improve myself over the years. And for people who are just coming into the YouTube business and are in the beauty industry, I have a few tips for you on what kind of videos you should really be doing, what you should be doing to get people to engage on your channel. So when I started my YouTube channel, I started doing makeup videos. Then I was a makeup artist. I still am, but it's not my main thing anymore. I do it sometimes, and really with the lockdown now, that is more or less non-existent. I didn't start YouTube because I wanted to start making money on it. I didn't even know that you could make money on YouTube until after about 4 months. And even after that, I think a year after that, they stopped it. They said unless you get 4,000 hours. So I've only really been monetized in the last 3 weeks, I think, remonetized. Anyway, that's another story. So when I started my YouTube channel, I started with makeup and weddings, talking about planning weddings, because I also planned weddings and I enjoyed that, events, things like that. I have some of those videos. I'll link them below in case you want to watch them. So I was also doing makeup on my channel, talking about new palettes, foundations and things like that. You know, I was enjoying it. But I mean, I can't keep buying everything that comes up because not everybody gets free products from many of these brands. We buy them with our money. But I know that I really love skincare. So I really love my skin products. I actually try to take the very best care of my skin. So to me, skincare would come before makeup. I would spend more money on skincare products compared to makeup products because I believe that what you have underneath is what matters. When you take off your makeup and you strip off everything on your face, what is left there. And I really like to look after my skin. I use serums a lot, and I did a video on serums. The reason why I did that video was because I had to be explaining to people about what serums do and how it helps, you know, because I did some skincare courses and I decided, okay, let me just go. When they ask me, I'll just say, okay, I have a video you can watch, you know, instead of having to keep explaining why I use serums and things like that. So that's why I started doing serum videos. So I was actually using serums before I started doing videos on serum. And my serum videos have really done quite well. And these videos are videos that people keep watching. So now let's get into some analytics. I'm going to show you some of my videos, some of my graphs, my analytics on some of my serum videos and a couple of my makeup videos as well. So the glasses are on now. We're going to look into my analytics and I'm going to share some of my graphs with you so that you see what I'm talking about. So let's start with Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife. So Fenty Beauty is a makeup brand that belongs to Rihanna, launched in 2017, and it's a brand that many people went crazy over. Some people were queuing up outside Harvey Nichols and other places where they could get the products from. Not me, I love makeup, but I'm not that crazy. Anyway, so Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife. Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife was relaunched in November. I had a video on it when it relaunched, and this is just in November. So I put that video out. It wasn't the video I just talked about. I mean, I just showed the new product. So I had 590 views on that video. As at today, I have 590 views on the video. And let's see how many views I have in the last 90 days. In the last 90 days, I have only 16 views. And you can see that the graph has plateaued. Nobody is watching it anymore. Very few people. It's not generating interest anymore. And it's more or less just dying out. It's there on my channel, but not many people are watching it. So it's obviously not generating anything. Revenue. I mean, I've only really been monetized in the last 3 weeks, really. So it wasn't even really about money. It was about really showing things that I like or sharing makeup with people. So that's one of the latest ones. So the reason why I'm talking about Fenty Beauty is because it's a brand that everyone likes, many people like, let me say many people like, and because it's a very well-known beauty line. So I expect more people to watch videos about it. So I've got my Fenty Stunner Lip Paint as well. This is also a recent video which I put up last year, and I have only 411 views on it. And in the last 90 days, I've only got five views, you know. So if you're putting up a video on your channel, you might think about all the hard work you put into it, editing. I mean, I can't even count the number of times I've stopped and started this. Now I think it's about 5 times, you know. It's not easy putting all the work, and people are not really interested in watching your video. So what's the point, you know? So, but when it comes to serums, so let's look at some of my serums. So last year I did a video talking about serums, and the reason why I did this video was because lots of people ask me about serums, why do I use serums, how to use serums, because I used to do makeup for people and I would use serum on them when I'm doing it. So they ask me, oh, what is that? And I say, oh, this is a serum. I could use this before I put on makeup, and then if I put on your moisturizer and all that. Because I was doing the full works, because I actually went to a makeup and skincare school. So I really did makeup the way we were taught, not just about, it wasn't about just applying makeup on your face, it was about doing the skin preparation and everything. So people were asking me about serums, and lots of my friends. So I decided, okay, why not just do a video? So I could always tell them to go and watch it. You know, so that's how I started talking about serums, because I actually love to use serums. So I wasn't buying serums because I wanted to do the videos. I was doing the videos because I already use serums, if you get what I mean. So let's look at my Lancome serum. So my Lancome serum, I posted that one last year, May, and as you can see from the graph, I keep getting views on it. The graph, the line graph is going up. It's not plateauing at all. It's just going up. The same with my Estee Lauder. The Estee Lauder one actually was an unboxing even. I haven't even done the video of the main product because it finished before I could do the video, but I've got one now, so I'm going to show you. I'm going to be doing a video on this one. I've started using this one again. This is also one of my favorite serums that I've been using. This is a staple. This is one that I can vouch for. It's really good. It's very expensive, and so I always buy it when it's on offer. So I think ASOS has an offer at the moment where you can buy this and get 3 other products free. So I don't know if it's still on, but that was when I bought it. So I'll put it up if the offer is still on anyway. But yeah, it's a very good serum. So I'm going to do my normal 5 to 7 days skincare, so you see what happened to my skin, and within those days I'm going to do that soon. So watch out for that. Make sure you're subscribed and you hit the bell so you know when I upload that video. So the Estee Lauder video that I have on my channel is just an unboxing. It's not even the review. And see, the graph is going up as well. I have, between September and today, I don't have the number of views I have here, but I'm going to put it up so you see. My Clarins, the same thing. The graph is going up. That's also another serum. And my Pixi Beauty as well. Pixi Beauty is not a serum. The one I used, it was an oil. So it's an oil night that I use in the night. But you see the views are continuous as well. and it was just an unboxing. I never got around to doing the review because it was a little slightly oily for me, so it wasn't something I used all the time. So I've even still got it. I've still got it, and I've had it now for about a year. So I use it. I rarely use it, to be honest. So I didn't bother doing a video on it. I just did the unboxing. But what I'm trying to let you know is that people are interested in skincare more than they are in makeup. Most people now actually know how to do makeup. You can keep doing your makeup videos, but think about doing other things as well. Serums, creams, skincare, things like, especially if you're just starting on YouTube. You want to do something that will keep your channel active, because YouTube picks up on videos and promotes it. A video of mine was promoted in a fantastic way in the last 2 months, and from 2,000 views, I'm nearly on 100,000 views. You know, so I mean, you can easily find out which video it is. Yeah, so, and that was because YouTube promoted that video. I had that video on my channel for more than 9 months, and they promoted it in the last 2 months. If you have a video that YouTube realizes that people are interested in, YouTube is going to promote that video. So, and I know serums, even most of, when I check my analytics for my serums to find out how people got to know about it, I see that it's being suggested. So that's another thing. You need to check your analytics regularly, see who suggested it. I even know which videos it was suggested after, if you know what I mean, because YouTube gives you all that information, and all that information is there for you to check and work on. So yes, I believe that it's really, really good to do videos to do with skincare as opposed to just makeup videos, because the thing is that people get tired of the same thing, and then these brands keep coming out with new makeup products anyway. No one knows that you've got Huda Beauty on compared to one of the drugstore ones. You know, you could have a drugstore eyeshadow palette on or Huda Beauty, and nobody's really going to know the difference, you know. So that's it. So most of the time, I think that skincare videos would always be watched. People will keep looking at it. People will keep looking after, and people will keep watching skincare videos because they want to see, especially because these products are not cheap. So if you want to buy a £50 serum, for instance, you're not just going to go out and buy it. You're going to be sure that it's going to work. You're going to be sure that people have used it. You want to see reviews on it. And that's why people come to my channel to watch those videos, because they want to see, and I'm as honest as I can be, you know, about it. I'm not going to say something works if it doesn't work. I'm just not going to do that. So yes, so that's just why people come back to watch, and people ask me questions. Even yesterday I got another question about a serum. Someone asked if she could wear this, if she has to put it on and wash it off, and I said no, you leave it on. You know, it's a serum, it's not a mask. You know, so basic questions like that. You'll be surprised many people don't know how to use some of these things. So if you want to start a YouTube channel, or you're in the beauty line, and or you do beauty in addition to other things, think about talking about skincare. Be consistent in what you talk about, and you'll be surprised that you keep getting views. People will keep coming to you, people will ask you. So that's really my own, that's what I'm doing at the moment. But my channel is not only about that. So guys, that's just my own view on the kind of videos that you should be doing if you want to be relevant, if you want your channel to be seen, if you want people to see you as someone that is an expert on something. People will come back to your channel to find out about things that they're not sure about, especially things like skincare. And the thing is that there's so many new serums coming out, but for me, I tend to stick with the ones I know, because some of these beauty brands now are launching into serums, and I really don't know if I can really trust that they know what they're doing. So I would rather stick with brands that have been tried and tested: Estee Lauder, Lancome, Clarins, Bobbi Brown, you know, than maybe new ones that are just, they might be good, I don't know, but I'm not going to spend my money buying so many different serums anyway. But yeah, anyway guys, that's my view. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you were able to take away something. And if you did, please don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section, and also please like the video, also please share, and also please don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next one, guys. Bye.